Welcome to Top Picks, your ultimate destination for the top picks of all things captivating and remarkable.
The Apple Pencil is the best stylus for iPad users. Here's which to get and how to use it. For the first few years of the iPad's life, companies released hundreds of different styluses that they claimed would make drawing and writing a breeze. In reality, they usually weren't much better than using your finger. This is where the Apple Pencil came in. Originally released in 2015, the Apple Pencil is a wireless stylus that's specifically designed to work with iPads. It's not much bigger than an average pen and is great for drawing and taking notes.
Now, there are two versions of the Apple Pencil, each with its own design and features. Here's everything to know about the Apple Pencil, including what it does and what type of iPad you'll need to use one. The Apple Pencil is a stylus, a pen made to use on digital screens that can do anything your finger can do, but with more precision. This means that you can more easily tap small icons, draw complex shapes, and write in your own handwriting. It can also be a good substitute when you don't want to use your fingers in general. Maybe you're wearing heavy gloves or have ink on your fingers. The Apple Pencil can do anything that your fingers can do. Now the question is, what iPads are compatible with the Apple Pencil? And the reason behind is not every iPad supports the Apple Pencil. And even the iPads that do work with Apple Pencils don't support both versions. Only one Apple Pencil version is compatible with any given iPad.
The first generation Apple Pencils are iPad 6, 7th, 8th, 9th generations, released in 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. You'll need a separate charging adapter with the 10th generation released in 2022, since it now has a USB-C port. iPad Pro 9.7-inch released in 2016, iPad Pro 10.5-inch released in 2017, iPad Pro 12.9-inch first and second generations, released in 2015 and 2017, iPad Air 3rd generation, released in 2019, iPad Mini 5th generation, released in 2019, and 2nd and 3rd generation released in 2021, 2022 and 2023.
Differences between Apple Pencil 1 and 2. If you look at both versions of the Apple Pencil, you'll notice that they look a bit different. The first generation Apple Pencil is longer and made with glossy plastic, while the second generation is matte and has a flat side, so it doesn't roll.
And of course, the two versions also have different prices. $99 for the first generation and $129 for the second.
How to charge and connect your Apple Pencil. You will both charge and connect your Apple Pencil in the same way. If you have a first generation Apple Pencil, unscrew the cap on its eraser end to reveal the lightning connector and plug it into your iPad. It'll start charging right away. If you're asked if you want to pair with the Bluetooth.
Now the question is, does the Apple Pencil work on iPhone? Watch our video to know the answer.
Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.